Hello and welcome to Smart Education Template's video tutorial. The main idea with the Smart Education Template was to create a virtual classroom for both online streamed lectures and recording course materials. With this template, users can also produce other kind of materials, for example interviews, presentations and course assignments. This tutorial will explain the basic functions of the Smart Education Template. Smart Education Template is quite a simple one, and the overall design is same time futuristic and minimalistic, but also visually attractive. Main features in this template are 3 resizable monitors for video and image playback. Monitors are located on the left, right and the center of the template. Screen sizes can be adjusted in the set settings on the right sector of the SmartSet interface. In set settings, you can also adjust other set-related items and functions. Let's start with the band. This switch you can either hide or show the band. Here you can change the color of the band, and here you can move the band on the left and right directions. Next item is the circle in the center of this template. Again, here is for the hide and show, color settings, and here you can change the size of the circle. You can choose and change these values either by the mouse, by clicking the left mouse button and dragging the mouse, or double clicking and then add the value with the keyboard. So the next one is the walls. Here you can change the wall color, and here you can move the walls. Then there is a background, color settings. Here is again, you can change whatever color you prefer. Then there is the settings for the ceiling. Again, you can change the color of the ceiling. And then the floor settings. Again, the same thing about the color. So here are the screen sizing functions, which I mentioned earlier. So with this one you can change the size of the screen 1. And here on the screen 2, which is on the left side. This way you can create as big or as small monitors you want for your productions. And here are the chair settings. Again, you can change the color of the chairs, and then you can either hide one of them or both of them. And you can change again the size of them. Then you can rotate them and change their placing on this template. For this time I will hide them actually. And here you can change the lights of the set. Here is the intensity and the ambience of the light, and then there is the other light setting. So when you have set the camera and the lights, and you want to capture your talent into the virtual sets, then we go to the actor settings. In here, in the actor settings, first you will choose the source for the video input. So in this case I will show file video to give you an example how it will look like. Here you can either trigger it on or off, meaning that we're gonna see or not to see the talent. So here you can see the talent. Here you can change the position of the talent. You can see that in this case talent is mixing a little bit with the set. So I will raise her up a little bit. Now we can see her legs. And here you can see a cropping issue that which can be adjusted here on the crop settings. So here is the left side cropping, right side cropping, and let's keep a little bit headroom for her. So now we will not have a problem with that anymore. Here is if you want to use shadows for your talent, here you can adjust the shadow settings. The next setting you can see here is the screens. So you can choose the input for each screen, which playlist will play back. So now we have set the center screen is gonna have the playback from the playlist 1, left screen playlist 2, and right screen on playlist 3. Here you can set the duration of each image or file. This means that they will last for 5 seconds. You can increase or decrease this value. And then the next one is the cam settings, which means camera settings. In this case it means that we can change this value of the duration of the fly mode between camera presets. So let's say I have created here camera preset like this one and this one. Now you can see that it changed from preset 1 to preset 3 instantly, but if I will change here the value, let's say 20 seconds, this transition will take now much longer time, exactly 20 seconds. With this you can make this kind of very cinematic camera moves. Here you can find chroma settings. It's when you will capture your talent with your camera and bring her or him into this virtual set. You can set here these chroma values. And here is when you will set your camera first time, you can calibrate your camera. Creating camera presets is quite easy. You just use your mouse. When you press the left mouse button and drag on the left side, you will rotate on the left. When you drag on the right side, you will rotate to the right. Then if you want to tilt up and down, keep your mouse pressed and you move your mouse up and down. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, just press the right button and up and down with the mouse. Then if you want to save your camera presets, you just click here on the program presets lists. Now it's saved there. Then if you want to make more shots, you just move the mouse again. Let's see, you have here a close shot of our talent. Again here, click, and now you have 2 shots. Then if you want to change between different shots, you just click with the left mouse button here. Here is also a tool for the camera presets. With this one here, you can change the camera pitch. Here is for the head. Even roll of the camera. And zoom in, zoom out, tilting, panning. Pretty much the same things you can do with the mouse. With the pages, you can choose instantly preset real-time graphics and lower thirds. So here we have set some lower thirds, which I will trigger now with my left mouse button. And here you can see nice real-time graphics. And here if I click it again, it will go away. Let's see. And these lower thirds and real-time graphics you can change here in the Storm Logic session. Then one of the most important things is the playlists. Here you can add on the different playlists your pictures and videos you want to have a playback on the monitors. So let's add there some material. Now we have only the SmartEd logo, but if I will check out what I have here in my computer, here I can find some pictures I have saved there earlier on. So I will just find what I need, and I will push the left mouse button and drag and drop it here on the right place. Here you can change with the left mouse button the images you want to use. You can also drag here videos, and then for the videos you can use full screen option here. So let's play back this video from here. It started, you can hear the sound. If I press here full screen, you can see the full screen playback of the video file. Same way you can also make the full screen playback for the images. And with this virtual set tab here, you can go back to the virtual set. So I hope you liked this tutorial. You can find more videos in the SmartEd Project's YouTube channel. Thank you and goodbye.